Hello everyone, this is article writing and academic writing training for beginners class. This is kind of a basic class for academic research, and it is kind of, as I said, an essential knowledge for your future career. So starting with the contents, as you see, our presentation is composed of four different titles, four different sections. In the first section, we will talk about the nature of scientific writing and basic elements of the scientific research process. This will be almost 80% of our whole presentation. In the second place, the place of articles in academic journals in science, and the third section is scientific article writing, and the last one is rules to be considered in writing a scientific article. The stages of the research topic determination process are as follows. The first one is reading. The second step is thinking. The third step is writing. And the fourth step is discussion. Based on these questions, we call the problem statement to briefly state the problem and the problem definition to adequately explain the problem statement. So as you see, there is a very close relationship between problem statement and problem definition. Not every problem can be considered as a problem statement. If the answer to the subject we are questioning is clear and the relations are too clear to be considered otherwise, and there is no doubt about the results of the relationship, it would not be right to consider such problems as problem sentences. Title. The title should be written with care, as it will be the first thing the reader sees. It is the section that the reader can access free of charge. For this reason, the title should be chosen very well and should reflect the content of the article. It must be catchy and attractive enough to persuade readers to go on with reading the rest of the paper. So going on with the introduction, this is also the one of the most important parts, maybe the heart of your scientific paper. Introduction is the first part of IMRAD. Logically, the article should start with the introduction, logically and normally. The investigated problem is presented here. Sources that give the reader basic information should be selected. Without the need for previous publications on the subject, sufficient information is given to evaluate the results of the research in question. The necessity of the research is emphasized. The purpose of writing the article is stated. So the discussion, the heart, the brain, whatever you call it, of your scientific paper. This part totally belongs to you. This is maybe the only subjective part of your study, because you will make further interpretations and comments about the solid findings or statistical facts that you reached as a result of your study. Findings are compared with literature findings. Study results add to existing information. The relationship between the results and what has been done before and what their effects might be on the findings are explained. Thank you very much for your attention and for your patience. As I said, I hope this is beneficial for you. Thank you very much and good luck.